Hello and what's up everybody, welcome back to yet another video. Let's see how we can create realistic images, realistic portraits of people with Dall-E. So I'm going to show you how you can do that yourself. Just follow my steps. First of all, we need to give Dall-E the information about the model. The more information we can give Dall-E, the more better results we will get. Okay, so first of all, I will go with what I want with the shot. So I want a photo of a face, for example. I can add a photo of a face, or I can add a photo of a close-up face maybe. You can add close-up face or you can add just a face. I'm gonna go with face, so I want a face. Okay, so then I can add stuff like, is it a male model that I want or a female model? I can go with for example a female model. So okay, so we have a close-up face of a female model. Okay, so we have a female model, or we can say supermodel, etc. And then we can add or we can also add like Netflix model, female Netflix series model. We can also add that, and we can add other stuff like about the expression of that model that we want. We can add stuff like a smiling face or a neutral expression face. I'm going to go with a neutral expression face. Okay, so I'm going to go with neutral expression face. We can go with smiling face, angry face, etc. We can add stuff like details about her face or her hair. I can have long red hair, short blonde hair, or I don't want any hair. I can add stuff like that. I'm going to go with long, maybe short blonde hair. So I messed up the spelling here. So short blonde hair. We can also tell about the face. I can add like symmetric face if I want. Okay, I can add other stuff like is it facing towards the camera, is it not facing towards the camera, opposite to the camera, etc, etc. I'm just say facing towards camera. Okay, we can add other stuff like front facing, side facing, etc. I'm facing towards the camera or front facing, let's say, because it's front facing and it is facing towards camera. I can add stuff like is it the photo is taken indoor or it is taken outdoor. I'll just say outdoor lighting. So add outdoor lighting to the image as well, so it looks like it is taken outdoor. I can add like Netflix style, or I think I should go with documentary style as well, because we added Netflix style. Let's say I also like the style of documentaries. Whenever the photographs are taken for documentaries, I really love that style. I can add stuff like that. You can add stuff like you want it to be professional photography. If you know professional photography, you can add stuff like 75mm lens or 120mm lens, whatever lens you want, we can add that as well. Dall-E will take into account that as well. We can add stuff like 4K Ultra HD image or 8K, in my case 8K Ultra HD. So you can add more stuff as well, but I'm going to go with this information. You can add more stuff about the dress of the model, etc, etc. I'm going to go and click generate, and let's see whatever prompts will give us. Either we can get a professional looking photograph or not. Let's wait a couple of seconds, and here are our results. Okay, I'm really excited to see the results. Okay, I really love these results, Okay, so this one right here, really great. I have created a photorealistic image and it is a really good portrait created with the help of Dall-E. We can also add like, the red color eyes or, blue colored eyes, etc, etc. We can also talk about the lipstick if you want. So we can add other stuff as well, but with these types of information, as I showed you, we can create photorealistic portraits with the help of Dall-E. And this person does not exist in real life. We have just created it with the help of AI. You can just download this image and you can use it wherever you want, or you can sell it on marketplaces, as I will show you in the future videos.